All right, yesterday we talked about this one. I'm just going to review before I move on. Algebraic expressions, okay? Variables, letters, and such, okay? Today we're going to simplify algebraic expressions, okay? Oh, I got a blue sign here. I should have to fix that real quick. All right. Simplified algebraic expressions. In an algebraic expression such as negative 6x plus 12, the parts that are added together are called terms. Okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and give you a moment to write down these definitions, and then I'll talk about them. Wife and girlfriend, that would be like way too much stress. All right. Simplified algebraic expressions. This is an algebraic expression. Okay, these are called terms. A term is a number, that's a number, a variable, or the product of a number and one or more variables. This would be a product of one or more variables. Product means multiplying. When they're next to each other, that means multiplying. This in Word says negative 6 times x plus 12. Okay? A coefficient is a numerical factor in the term. Not this one, this one. It is a negative 6 is your coefficient. Another way to think of a coefficient is it's the number that goes in front of the variable. If you want to know what 12 is a constant. Okay? As soon as you put a constant in front of a variable, you get a coefficient. Does that make sense? Okay. Here's the key. Like terms, they have the same variable raised to the same power. Have to be the same power. Same power. X squared plus x cubed. Are those like terms? No. They have to have the same power. So 2x cubed y squared minus 4x cubed y squared. Are those like terms? Yeah, they have the same power. What would the answer to this be? If you have to, plus minus, that would be negative 2x cubed y squared. Okay? We do a whole lot of this in every algebra you'll see, even in calculus. To be honest with you, calculus is very easy. It's the simplifying is what's difficult. Okay? So you'll be doing this the rest of your algebra careers. So, I have a couple examples for you. The red one is a little bit more difficult. Try them all. Let's do the top one first. Sometimes you may have to put a 1 in there so you'll see it a little bit better. They are like terms. 5m minus 1m is 4m. Down here, I like to underline the first one. I'm looking for any w squares. Well, there's one. 2w squared minus 6w squared is negative 4w squared. And now I'm looking for anything with just a z. Okay? Negative z plus 11z is positive 10z. Okay? If you have 8z, please make sure you look at the negative signs here. You always go with the sign in front of it. 2w squared minus 6w squared. The red one up here we have to do, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally first. So that becomes negative x plus y minus 15x minus 30y. Now I'm looking for anything that has an x to the 1 power. Well, there's one. Negative x minus 15x is negative 16x. Now I'm going here with the y's. Positive y minus 30y is negative 29y. How many people had that right? Good job. And there you go. I'm feeling